What up, Smart Rapper family, or anybody out there that's trying to learn how to do a home studio for yourself for less than $100. I'm going to give you guys the tips today. It's everything that you're going to need, yes, for less than $100. You're probably in the beginner stages. You're like, I can't really afford this, but I want to record myself. I want to start practicing on the microphone. I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need for less than $100. Easy peasy lemon motherfucking squeeze. Y'all going to learn today. I'm Rob Level. This is smartrapper.com, and you about to get smarter right after the intro. Number one on this list, actually, got it right here. Where you at? Don't hide. Come up out here, bitch. Here it is right here. This is. I have a bunch of these because I give these away sometimes. Little dusty down there. Right, this is the Samson Co1u USB microphone. USB meaning you plug it right in, you USB plug that thing in, like 1, 2, boom, it's plugged in, and you can record. Plus, what's great about this is it comes with Cakewalk for free. What? So you're gonna get a digital audio workstation so you can record yourself for free. It comes with it. This thing now, it fluctuates between $32 and $44. I looked today. It was $44, but I bought a bunch of these for like 32 to 35 bucks. This is actually an incredible microphone for the cost, and the whole point in buying a cheaper microphone is so you can start building your music style. So I highly recommend you guys start with this, you guys and girls. You start with this, super cheap, and comes with an audio, comes with the ability to record into a software built in. Oh, you can't beat that. I'm gonna put links below for you guys. Let's move on. There's a couple more things you need. Still gonna keep it under $100. Number two, obviously you have this. You need a mic stand. Okay, $20. I'm gonna put a link below for that. Same one that I had for a very long time until I got my now I have like a $200 mic stand. But the thing, it's like it won't move. Like, it's very heavy, so that it would never tip over. But all you need is a $20 one. Okay, I'm gonna put a link below for that. And then next, you're gonna need a pop filter. I have a link below for you. It's only $7. Same pop filter I used for years. Super simple. Now I have a $100 pop filter. I have no idea why that thing costs $100. It's just like a piece of like. Oh. I guess it's like the top of the line one. I don't know. It's like a bit more than just a screen. It's like this foamy thing. You can see it right there, whatever. But whatever, you don't need that yet. You're good with a $7 microphone, or you're good with the $7 pop filter for your microphone. Don't worry about that. All right, a couple more things you need here. Let's get going. Now you have two options here. What I'm gonna recommend here is you need to get acoustic treatment. Now, and the reason being for the acoustic treatment is, in your room, you don't want, and I'll put a link to the video below of like the difference with sound treatment before and after. It's a massive difference. What you don't want is to be in a room and there's reverb in the room all going in your microphone. You know that sound, like when a room, it sounds like echoey and stuff like that. You don't want that going into your recording. You're gonna sound like a freaking amateur. That's what a booth is for. That's why when they put you in a booth, it absorbs all that. It's like this, it's soundproof so that you just hear the vocal, right? Well, you can get acoustic treatment for $17 for 12 square feet. You get 12 of these squares. Honestly, the link, I'm gonna put the link below for you guys. It's the same stuff that I have on these walls right here. I just bought the whole room's covered in them. But if you do it in a small section, you buy 1 or 2 of them. They're $17 a pack, and you get to choose orange, green, blue, purple, gray. Okay. 17 bucks, you get 12, maybe get a couple packs if you need them, but you just set the 12 up and you face your microphone towards it, right? And then you make sure there's some like stuff in the background muffling it. Not gonna go into that super hardcore, but this is a great way to start. Now there's an alternative thing that you can do, which is actually gonna be better for you, but it's not gonna look as cool. But what I used to do is I use Uhaul blankets. And I mean, I have tons of Uhaul blankets because I used to use them. Because if you're buying these in 12 set pieces, these can get expensive very quickly because it's only covering 12 square feet. Okay, I mean, 12 is just like, that's 12, then 12, then 12, and 12, and 12, and 12, and 12, and 12, and 12, all the way around the room. It gets expensive. Okay, but Uhaul blankets are a great alternative. You can get 6 Uhaul blankets for $30, and then you just kind of like tap nails into them in the ceiling or thumbtacks, right? And they'll sit, you put them about an inch out from the wall, and these things absorb all the sound in the entire room. So if you don't mind about how it looks, you can get 6 of those and go one, you can set them up, or just get a 3-pack, 4-pack, and set them up in your room. Your room is going to be like it's going to be sound treated so well. It's like it's crazy helpful, like what a Uhaul blanket will do. And this is like a pro tip that you'll learn. It's like a low cost tip. If you go on any forums and you ask any professional engineer, they travel with these types of blankets because they work so well for like deadening a room, right? So you can get that for 30 bucks. I'll put a link to the Uhaul blankets below. I mean, If you can afford to do a whole room like this, go for it. But we're trying to keep it on $100, right? So get some Uhaul blankets. They work beautifully. Let's move on. Now, if you do happen to get the acoustic treatment, you need to buy command strips. I have a bunch of them. This whole room was put up with them. And there's a video on my channel that shows you how to do it. You just like take 2 little strips, boop, boop, and you put it on the wall. It's super easy and it won't damage your wall, which is the whole point. Because usually you put acoustic treatment up, it's permanent. It rips off the walls. It sticks to the walls. You don't want that as a problem. Okay, so the command strips are $6. I'll put a link below. So if you get the acoustic treatment, get the command strips and put them up. If you get the Uhaul blankets, you're just gonna need like some nails, which you probably have laying around. Your mom or dad might have some nails and a little hammer. Put it in the wall, you're good. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. Now all this between the two things, it fluctuates between $95 and $101. That means you're getting all of this for $100. You can start recording yourself. It comes with the software. You got the stand. You got the pop filter. You have everything you need. You have a little bit of acoustic treatment, so you're gonna get a good. It's not gonna be too reverby. You're gonna get a good quality sound for less than $100. Okay. Now this doesn't include the computer, but I want you to understand that even the cheapest computers nowadays, like I was recording myself on like a $300 laptop, and I didn't even need to be a $300 laptop that I got refurbished. Like, nowadays, it's just sound. You're not editing video. So when you're recording yourself, a lot of these computers nowadays, just standard computers, can handle the workload of something like Cakewalk and recording yourself. No problem. So you just need a little computer and then this less than $100, and you have yourself a little do-it-yourself $100 home studio setup. All right, I'm Rob Level. This is smartrapper.com. Please hit me with a subscribe. I release a video every single day. Tons of videos to help everybody in the music industry in general. I focus on rappers, but I offer a lot of mindset advice and everything else like that for industry. And I have a lot of credentials. If you don't know me, go to my channel, check my stuff out, check out my main videos, see my credentials and why this stuff makes sense. I've been where you are right now. I started with this microphone. Now now it's like, well, $12,000 in studio gear in here, you know. And I'm gonna make other tiers too, so it's not just the $100 one. I'm gonna do a $300 one. I have a $500 one. I have a $1,000 one, so you guys know what to get for home studios at every price range. Because people have been asking me for these forever, so I'm like, let me make these, because I know everybody has certain budgets. They want to start recording themselves, so that's what I'm here to help with. Okay, hit me with a like, hit me with a subscribe, and hit me with a comment. Hit me with 4 bars of the day below. All right, so I want to see you guys getting that practice in. That's why I make everybody write the lyrics. And aside from that, I guess that's pretty much it. Go ahead and like one of these videos. And don't forget to check out, I have all the links below for you guys for everything that I mentioned. It's all going to be in the description. And then also the video on how to put up the acoustic treatment. Try to put that in there. And then other stuff like that. All right, I'm Rob Level. This is smartrapper.com. Check out these videos, y'all. And go get one of these. Start recording yourself. Y'all got this.